So I'm going to talk you through how to check if you have any apps that are then associated or basically logged in via your Facebook account. I'm just going to do this on a mobile. You can also go to your settings and privacy in your desktop, but for just now I'm just going to show you how to do it on an iPhone. And if you're using another kind of phone, then you would just go to a page where you see all this information and your settings and privacy. So first of all, just click on settings and privacy and go to settings. It's worthwhile periodically to check your settings on Facebook and especially your privacy settings as well. So for just now, we're just going to check the app. So you just scroll down and click on apps and websites. And then you want to choose the top option here, which says logged in with Facebook. Now you might be surprised, you might have nothing here, and you might also have quite a lot here. So it depends if you're using business sites. As you can see, most of mine are business related, or if you use games, you'll see a lot of games on here. So the first thing I'm going to show you is that when you click on an app by clicking view, it then comes up and it tells you basically what information that you're sharing with this app. For some of them, the information is required, and for some of them, you can actually edit the information that you share. So in here for Adobe, you can see that your public profile is shared with this app, and your email address is shared, but you can remove it by clicking the little tick there, and you can save that. There are other things, the other pieces of data that is shared by using apps with your Facebook profile is your friends list, your location, and your date of birth. So none of this is used on these business apps, but when you play games and you're linking to Facebook, you might be quite surprised actually those things may come up as part of, that it's getting shared through these apps. So when you go into the app, if you no longer want these to be associated or shared or logged in, through your Facebook page, just scroll down and you'll see it's got remove apps. So you click there, and then you click remove, and then that will remove it from your Facebook. It will remove it from you basically being logged in as Facebook. Unfortunately, when you join up Facebook with some of these apps, some of them say that your information will always be with them. I think Facebook will maybe starting to change that. But what I would suggest you do is just have a click through and see if you have anything connected to your Facebook profile, and then you can. I'm just going to check some of the ones here. I just clicked through the wrong thing there. For example, we've got Creative Live here, and it's the same thing. It's your public profile and your email address. I've not really got any here that's showing the friends list, location, or date of birth. If I do have anything like that, I would be sure to go and tick them out if it's not a required field. If you need any help accessing your settings and basically updating that, please let me know. But just for quick recap, you go into your profile and you go into your settings and privacy, and then that's where you'll see the apps and websites, and then you click logged in with Facebook. Just go through them one by one and remove them if you no longer want to have them there. If you need any help with that, please get in touch. So either leave a comment below where I'm sharing this video, or even just share it to your friends if you think that they would also benefit from that too. So go ahead, have a look at your settings and check your privacy. Bye for now.